Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous episode. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the last video where we talked about Easter in America. Now let's test what you've learned. Let's begin. Is Easter always celebrated on the same date every year? No. It changes every year depending on the lunar calendar. Does Easter celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ? No, it celebrates the resurrection of Jesus Christ. Are Easter egg hunts only for adults? No, they're mostly organized for children. Are eggs a symbol of new life and rebirth? Yes, both in ancient cultures and in Christian tradition. Is the Easter Bunny originally from the United States? No, the tradition came from German immigrants. Do Americans only use real eggs for egg hunts? No, they often use plastic eggs filled with candy or toys. Do people wear dark clothes on Easter Sunday? No, they usually wear bright spring colors and festive outfits. Is Easter considered only a religious holiday in the U.S.? No, it also includes cultural and family traditions. Do all Easter eggs contain money? No, some contain candy, toys, or nothing at all. It depends. Is Easter in the U.S. a mix of fun and faith? Yes, it blends religious meaning with joyful celebration. Watch this feedback video again to strengthen what you've learned, and don't forget to subscribe so you're always ready for the next beautiful episode in this wonderful series on English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.